Well, now that you've unboxed everything, let's go ahead and unbox the filters and actually inspect those. First one I'd like you to do is pull out the Defender. The Defender is your pre-filter. We're certainly going to be installing that first on the manifold. Do not remove this white cap. This white cap is called a sanitary cap. Once you remove it, you should not touch, and here I'll do it for you. You'll hear a vacuum as well. So there'll be a little bit of air that comes out, equalizing the pressure in the system. But just open it to inspect that there are 4 O-rings. Once you've identified that there are and that this is the proper filter for you, go ahead and put that cap back on to protect those O-rings while you unbox the rest of the filters. So once you've done that, you've inspected that, what we want you to do is go ahead and take out the other 2 cartridges. They will be your 4925 PHCs, and it'll also say, when we say PHC, the letter P stands for plus. So you're going to say plus HC. HC stands for high capacity. It just says our silver is a 4925. You're going to do the same thing there. You're going to go ahead and pull off the sanitary cap. Hear the vacuum, equalize, check for 4 rings, and again, put the sanitary cap back on. Continue this process on your 3rd and final. You're going to also open it up, check to make sure we have the proper numbers and identifications, check for 4 O-rings, and put your cap back. Now that you've done that, and you know that everything's good, I wouldn't leave them standing like this, because if you drop them, they could break. I would go ahead and lay these down so that you don't drop them, and you can use the back of your van. If you have a table, put down a towel, something to keep them clean would be appropriate to do that. Now what we're going to do as we move forward is we're going to go ahead and assemble the manifold properly so that you understand how it goes.